What's up, guys? My name is Kasey Freeman, and welcome to my very first ever Chanel unboxing. My very first ever luxury unboxing, because when I first started buying luxury items, doing it in unboxing was not really a thing. So I've never done it before. So we're gonna hope that this comes out well. But before we get to the unboxing, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if you want more unboxings, because I'm sure that they're gonna come. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Okay, so I'm super excited about this bag, and I can't honestly wait to tell y'all about the history of the bag. So, and that's really more so the reason why I got it than the bag itself. But the bag is perfect. So hold on. I'm going to try to do a reel and this reaction at the same time, and we'll see honestly what we get. So I'm filming my camera with my camera, and then I'm gonna film for a reel with my camera. And let's see. I think I'm gonna have to stand y'all up. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. I'm super excited, and I really hope that this makes sense. Let's see if I can bring it down some. So here is my very first ever Chanel bag, and I'm super excited about her. She's actually in my favorite color that I never wear unless it's a yellow like this one. Because obviously it stands out more on my skin tone than if it were more of a pastel yellow. But anyway, this is her. And let me pull out the card for her. This is the Chanel 19 handbag, and this bag cost around $5,300. So, yes, but I love her, and she is mine. Here's my authentication card. Here's my Here's my authentication card. Anywho, so let's open her up. Let's also start by admiring the two-tone golds here. You have your silver, and then you have your gold. And then it's also has leather in between, and then your handbag is just straight gold, as you guys see there. So here's this. The strap does not remove. I'm gonna show you guys. The strap does not remove. However, the girls will wear her like this in the back and hold her like this, or you can obviously open it up and tuck your straps in. We're gonna take this extra tissue out. And then wear her like so, with the straps tucked in. It's perfection. And as you can see there, it's like quilted. Hopefully it'll zoom in enough. Let me see. Here. And this is her with your C's. She is a quilted yellow. So this is the outside. Now let's go into the inside. It's actually pretty spacious on the inside. I put the strap in there, and then you do have a zipper in the back, and then it is a flip strap. I mean, it is a flip bag, so it closes and clasps here. And that's her. So we're gonna set her there while we talk about her. Because I do have the history of this bag, which is also why I got this bag. This bag, to me, represents The Devil Wears Prada. And if anyone of you know fashion, then you know that movie. So yeah. Okay, so I'm reading this information from Rebag, but my, the person who sold me this bag, who sold me my Chanel earrings that I'm not wearing today, I only wear them whenever I wear short hair, so you can see them because they're studs, but anyway, told me this information, and so I went to go look it up just to make sure, not to say I don't believe you, Kyle, I'm just saying, like, I just want to make sure that what I'm saying is true. So this bag debuted in 2019, and it is the Chanel 19, named after 2019. It is a contemporary reimagination of Gabrielle Coco Chanel's legendary 2.55 bag. What's the difference? The slouchy structure, a trio of chains, a leather and chain interlock CC clasp that you see here, and an enlarged diamond quilting. So like I said, here with this. Okay, this bag was unveiled in March of 2019, and it was the last major handbag Karl Lagerfeld, along with current Chanel creative designer, designed for Chanel before Karl Lagerfeld passed away in February of 2019. So, the first handbag that Chanel created in February of 1995 is the inspiration for this bag, and that's also why you get 255, because she does the dates. So February is the second month, and then 55 is the year, so 255. Anywho, and it's known for its rectangular shape with chain straps, and it can be as a handbag, as you see here, which is probably how I will wear it, but it could also be paired as a crossbody. I don't really want to stand up because I'm really not wearing like the right pants, but this is like where it will kind of land on you, on the hip, right on the hip. And you cannot adjust the chains, so this is where it lands on me. Other people, shorter people, it may land on them differently, but this is where it will be for me. Okay, so then another reason why I got a color instead of like the black, because you can see other celebrities wearing the black one, is because, for one, yellow is my favorite color, and obviously it's going into spring, so it is a spring bag. And I do not have a colorful bag. I have like an off-white, I have the brown, I have the off-white Coach bag, the brown checkered Speedy 30 bag, and then I have the brown Neverfull, and just some other like basic colored items, and I don't have any fun pieces, so that's why I got her. And so I'm super excited because I'm gonna wear her all spring and summer, because obviously like I probably won't wear her in the winter. And I think I'm gonna name her Chanellie, nicknamed Nellie, you know? It's a little much, but anywho. So I also felt connected to this bag because of the movie Devil Wears Prada. For those of you who are like Devil Wears Prada fans and know the movie, she often talks about Karl Lagerfeld. And that's also where I started doing my research about him. He's actually from Germany. And he has been a creative designer for a lot of brands. And the one right before he passed was this bag for Chanel. And so I was like, oh my gosh, I've done so much research on him. And so it also, like, as soon as like Kyle said that's who designed this bag, I was like, period. Like, I will never have another. Like, there will never be another created by him. And also so yeah, this is Nellie, and prepare to be sick of her. Prepare to be sick of her by the end of the summer. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my first ever Chanel unboxing. I greatly appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.